We're going to Japan. So we found it. So the Canadian terminal is not the international terminal. It's apparently Terminal 6.
This is Terminal 6.
Hey y'all, got my new place up in Airbnb. Ain't nothing here, ain't nothing wrong.
It's
tiny.
just my size.
So it is just Allie's size with his shower just her size and a fucking, what is it, a hose that could kill an elephant. Oh my god, somebody's breaking in. Oh no, that's Kramer. That was not the Seinfeld theme at all. We have bunk beds. I'm styling. We got no room to walk, and we've got lovin'. How did you open this, Allie?
On the side there in the middle. You see in the middle, the lever?
Ah, saw that.
Oh.
We got a balcony. Yeah. Oh, hello there. Let's go exploring.
God, we found him.
Now what we gotta do is find Oddlaw and Wally. Here we are at the famous Shibuya crossing, where everyone just like comes out together and starts crossing.
So we have to wait for them to cross?
There it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's the excellent mill that my YouTube subscribers don't get to see. I love you, Karl Marx.
Arigato. Ah. すごい。
多すぎちゃったかな。わさび。
Oh no! Arigato. Hello. I'm here to take full responsibility for this.
Welcome to downtown Disney.
Well, this isn't downtown Disney. We're not in Anaheim, California. We're actually at Tokyo Disney because I really, really need my own Tokyo Disney trading pin because that's why we're here. We're not stepping into the park. We're not here to have any real fun. We're here for business. Okay, I'm heartbroken because this isn't right. I don't know if they do Disney trading pins in Japan, which is a crime. This is what we got, which is celebrating the 25th anniversary to the Disney store. Does not say Tokyo anywhere on it. Does not say Disneyland or anything on it. It's just wrong. We have one more place to look though. One last hope.
What's the deal with airline food?
I'm very sad. The only Disney pins that they have here in Tokyo are from, it's a Stitch. And it doesn't say Tokyo anything anywhere, but it does say Hawaii, where I've never been to before. This is a look of disappointment and sadness. Let's go back on the train. I went to the Disney store, no luck. I went to the store in front of the Disneyland Resort. Not only did I pick up one trading pin, I have two. One for the 35th anniversary of the Tokyo Disney Resort, and then that says Tokyo Disneyland, I think. Right. Me. I'm assuming that says land. You did it!
We had that bad boy. I bought these in Japan. My name's Lance Jones. And I'm gonna unbox these. Can you tell us what it says on the back? I got these from Haruya. Haruya. It's in Japan. It's in Japan. What? Alright, in Japan, evidently the rares are first. That's interesting. They do them backwards. I don't know what these do. So look on the description in the comments for what these do. And if they're worth any money, I'll tell you inside the comments.
Like and subscribe.
Like and describe. You want to write memes in this one? Always.
Wait. Go for it. Take one. This is mine. Oh, I got the whole gang. What'd you get?
Yeah, Spike.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Nice.
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 Nice. But if you would like it as well, I guess I mean, you can if you want to. But why
Spike Spiegel?
I don't want to. No.
Swordfish. Lance.
Am I supposed to just tap them and eat them?
失礼します。花場が必要です。失礼いたします。トースター失礼します。
Gosh.
Okay.
Problematic.
Is the winner. If you guys want to order dessert. Weird. Hold on. So. Let's normalize domestic violence.
Flip it.
Okay, that's overkill.
Where's the beef? An unboxing video.
Oh, so you want me to be obnoxious?
Yes.
Okay.
And also
Hi.
somehow painfully boring.
Hi, Alyssa here at a great angle. And, oh, you bastard. And I'm doing an unboxing video here in Akihabara. Today is June 8th, and we are about to head on the JR line. Lance, I see what you're doing, and I hate you for it. And this boxing video is going to be terrible because I am not patient. I just want to tear this box open to find out which Boku no Hero Academia figure I got. Or not figure, it's a keychain. And it's Midoriya, just right there on the box. It's like maybe that's not a mystery, and I just got lucky. And no, yeah, it was one of those mystery boxes, and I got Midoriya, and look at how cute he is. I'm gonna put that on my bag right now. Right now. Doing it?
I'm just gonna record it.
Alright, this is our second unboxing video that we are doing now in Ikebukuro. We did our Boku no Hero unboxing, and God damn it, I can't open this shit.
What's the deal with that airplane food we had?